So I am picking up this method from my dad, who was able to save some of this year's harvest of the okra. What he does in order to preserve seeds or save seeds for the next growing season is he leaves a few of these on the stem or on the stalk. I've had these for several weeks, maybe even a couple months by now, and they've thoroughly dried out, and they're so easy to peel away. You can see there. But this is an update to a video that I did earlier on the channel, so I'm updating that video particularly. So hopefully you guys will take note of it. So this is the way you preserve your seeds for this type of vegetable, at least. And if you check the description box below, there'll be some information about its benefits. I am from the state of Louisiana, and we love eating okra. And just lately, I love preparing it because the accidental vegan in me has come to appreciate this even more, because it's a vegetable that I truly enjoy. And as you can see, there's lots of seeds packed neatly in one okra. One of the pieces here. Now I've seen my dad do like this to get them to release. I just love that sound. But I'm able to just separate it, and it comes out very easily. So there's a lot that's going on, and this is just me daring to share. Again, I look forward to producing some more content with you here soon, but I did want to come on and do an update to this video. So I'm going to go ahead and collect all that I have and discard the other portions, but this is what they look like. I'm not sure if you can see that, but from one of these you can feed, oh my goodness, so many people. Isn't that awesome? I hope this is beneficial to someone out there. This is Sonia saying thank you so much for watching. As always, you have a wonderful day, and God bless. Bye. Actually, before I leave, I want to show you that even though some of these were left on the vine, they didn't open, and I'm not sure why, but I'm curious to see what's beneath it, if it's still the seed is still preserved neatly inside. And the answer is no. So well, actually there's a couple, and hopefully I can get these to just release here. And well, actually, I beg your pardon, some of them are in whole format, and then there's some of them that are obviously damaged. Not sure if that's picking up or not, but you can see that little indentation, and it's dented in several places. So I wouldn't necessarily use those. As a matter of fact, as I'm looking at this one, it is worth it. It's worth it because there's a few of the seeds that are in good condition. Not sure if the camera's picking up on that, but there's a few of them that aren't in good condition. So I'll go through it and I'll pick the ones out that I want to spare or keep and replant, and we'll go from there. So thank you so much for watching, and once again, as always, God bless, and you have a wonderful day. Bye.